Hello everyone! In this video, you'll learn how to make a beautiful felt Valentine. You'll need heart-shaped templates. Trace the templates. Cut out the pieces with scissors. You'll need 2 red hearts and 1 pink heart. Take the red heart and the pink heart. Arrange them this way and sew them together using a running stitch. Using a blanket stitch, sew the second red heart on, but not all the way through. Leave enough space so you can stuff the filling inside the Valentine. After stuffing the filling, sew the Valentine all the way through. Now it's time to decorate the Valentine. The final result is a beautiful Valentine. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos.